I just came back from California and I have had like 24 hours without any sleep, but we have made an executive decision today, and I'm kind of breaking a promise that I made to the channel. We're buying a fourth bike today with literally no sleep at all, and yeah, this is the only bike I have sitting in the garage right now. This is the only one that is fully 100% functional, and I have a rare opportunity for a bike today, and so I figured, you know, some things happen for a reason. Let's send it, right?
Send it!
Yep. So Ryan's going to be giving me a ride. This is not the first time he's giving me a ride, which is kind of cool, but yeah.
I feel like I have my own valet pulling the bike out for me.
Well, I just want to close the garage.
Jeeves, pull the bike outside for me.
This is exhilarating. Picking up a new bike. Excited. I should be way more excited than what I am, but I hope you guys realize I'm literally running on like 2 hours of sleep. Maybe not even, like on a plane. I just came from San Diego all the way to Ohio. I'm excited, don't get me wrong. It's just my voice doesn't sound excited because I'm so tired, and I will probably make a true first ride video in the next coming days. But ready?
Enough sleep when you're dead.
Can I hop on? Cool.
I'm also gonna need to hit up a gas station too.
I'll pay for it.
Oh, hey Les. Oh. Ow. What's happening? My cock is very erect right now. Do I make a left or right out of here?
Left.
We're on the dump, sending it. Fuck them.
Oh, wow. Okay. What happened to having a passenger on the back, huh? Well, now that you figured out what I'm buying, you're like, I want it instead. You can inherit it.
Inherit it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'd probably fucking die in that thing too. I'd probably get the bike, inherit it, and then meet you in heaven in approximately 15 minutes.
Oh, you're gonna ride it too, that's the thing. Yeah, you want, I mean, not during break-in, but...
Break it in, I know I want to fucking redline the shit
Dude, that's another thing. Like, it just seems like such a nice bike to own. Like, to do an oil change, you don't have to remove any fairings on it. It's all just like right there. It's a single-sided swing arm with no special tools required to work on it. I'm like, dude, it's like a no-brainer. Sure, it's a little heavy and a little powerful, but it's cheaper to modify than my Ducati. All right, I'm gonna go inside and get my 35,000 bones.
All right, can you get a couple extra for me?
Yep, I got it.
Thank you.
This is gonna suck.
What's up, man?
What's going on, brother?
What are you trying to get? You trying to withdraw or something?
I'm sorry.
Are you trying to withdraw or something?
Yeah, I'm buying it's an H2.
Nice, man. That's cool. That's cool.
It's a little exciting.
Congratulations, man.
Kind of like the peak of my motorcycle career, but
bitch all the way to state 8.
How's that feel?
He loves it. It's his favorite place to be.
Okay, all right, cool, man.
Right?
Yeah.
Well, I hope you guys have a good time. I just saw on the camera. I saw somebody with a motorcycle. I'm like,
oh yeah.
Because I have an MT-09, but that's it though.
Those are sick.
I don't do a lot of riding.
Yeah.
I'm kind of looking for like a 650R, something a little smaller.
Yeah.
A little bit more sportier than. Yeah, I'm a casual dude, man. I don't do anything crazy on that thing.
Yeah. No,
So-
we're good noodles too.
I've had a couple guys come in here that got in accidents, and they were like,
Yeah.
on those like leg things, and there was somebody down on Brook Park the other day. I try not to think about that shit, but it goes through my mind.
Yeah. Nobody's immune to it.
Not when I get on it, it's like a whole other thing. All right, man. You guys ever
see it?
Take care. Ride safe.
All right, did you get me a couple extra dollars?
No.
What about a lollipop?
Oh, I'm sorry. I have a lot of cash in my pocket, so let's go.
Cash or cashier's check?
Cashier's check.
Don't put that poor dealership in the position where they gotta count $35,000 worth of bills.
Well, let's go get you gas.
I sold that guy's girlfriend a car.
Oh, cool. I know exactly where to go.
Bet you did.
I go there all the time. Remember, I'll pay for your gas. Pay for your trouble. I'll pay for your trouble, bro. Don't you?
You'll pay for my trouble.
I got my business card. I'll pay for the gas. It's all good.
Oh, business card, daddy.
A bougie.
Yeah, apparently, fuck.
Oh man, that wind feels so nice.
I know, it's actually kind of warm out.
So bright out. Brighter here in California. Gas here is so much cheaper. It's so nice to see premium gas under $5.
Yeah.
It's like the worst I saw was like almost $6 over there. You have to hit continue.
Jesus Christ, just give me fucking gas.
Talking about the reasoning why I want the H2. So I before I left for California, I had the opportunity to get it too, and then I was like, I think I'll pass because I think that it's already been overdone. Like the bike has been out for 10 years. Whatever has been anything that you could do with an H2 has already been done. It's been off-roaded, it's been destroyed, crashed. What do you mean why? It's just been out for so long. People used it for content, and so I'm in a weird spot where I'm like kind of on the back end of all that. It's still very much a beloved bike, but like everything that has been done with that bike has already been done. IMK has two of them. He has an H2 and an H2R, both pretty built. to make a lot of power. So I'm very much behind on the game. My reasoning is that I'm getting it not for the page, it's for me. Because I wanted H2.
Really?
I do.
I didn't think you ever really gave a shit.
I do. I absolutely do. I mean, dude, like, are you kidding me? H2, man. I was one of the H2 kiddies. I love that bike.
Yeah, I get it. Don't get me wrong. I just never thought it was your cup of tea.
That bike is absolutely the closest thing that you can get to flying.
That makes sense.
To flying a true airplane, that bike is it. And I've never ridden one, so maybe I'll take back that statement. But it could be boring as shit. Who knows? But everybody who's ever ridden one says it's the best thing that has ever been made. And so, like I said, if it's not what I think it is, and this has happened before, if I buy a bike and, you know, it's not what I think it is, the upside is I'm not losing really any money because I could just sell it exactly what I bought it for. Minus the taxes, I guess, but...
Just make sure you get taxes worth of experience.
Yeah. I mean, I'm going to be making some content with it. That'll be worth it, so... Okay. It's always the 600s, man.
Stalls it out.
Yeah, right? We are all in. If I don't buy this right now, then I have to go home on the back of your bike. That's no fun.
Hate that.
I think I would just call an Uber.
Oh, come on. Be cozy with me, right?
Yeah, so nice.
You love it.
I love it so much. All right, get me off of this thing. ASAP. Alright, let's greet the people. Straight from California to buying an H2. There he is. What's the holdup, buddy?
Let me get the door for you.
Oh, thank you, sir. Thank you, God.
What's up?
What's up, bro? I'm doing fantastic. How about you?
Excited?
A little bit.
Are you riding it home today?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's the plan.
They're starting to prep now.
Gotcha.
I had no idea you were coming today, but so they're working on it right now.
No worries. I'm perfectly chilling. I'm so tired, bro. Really got.
Did you just get back too?
Dude, I literally got off the flight at like 8 a.m. Got home around like 9 or 10. Got food with him. Came straight here.
Nice. You got the Triumph? Has it been good to you lately?
It's been quite good.
Good.
It's a little weepy, but it's still fine. It's British, it'll leak.
Yeah. That's in European fashion.
Yeah.
But I'm glad, you know, you guys were patient waiting for me.
I'm happy we could make it work. So just make yourself at home. I'm running around doing some stuff, getting everything ready.
Can I get a water by chance?
One sec.
Or do you have it?
Appreciate that.
You didn't tell him you were coming?
I did.
Did you?
Today.
He said he had no idea you were coming.
I told him today.
What, like a half hour ago?
This morning. I've been up since like 8. Oh, thank you so much.
For sure.
I've been up since like 8 a.m. yesterday, bro. So like, give me a break.
Let's get a ride more.
All right, brother. Thank you. This is
Holy shit, look at the exhaust in this thing.
Yeah.
What is that?
Here we go, man. I gotta do this somehow. Throw that in my pocket. I gotta take a picture of this, man. I don't know what I'm gonna post about this because I kind of want to surprise everybody with it.
You said there was a couple people who saw the tag on it.
I got DMs about it. I was like, dude, I knew. I had people DMing me. They're like, did you just buy an H2 at State A? I'm like, don't respond. Appreciate you, dude.
Dude, this thing's like a jet ski.
I hope. Are you gonna move?
No, I'm staying here. Yeah. 100%. Well, yeah, I was literally deciding about moving to California or picking this. And
You were gonna leave?
yeah.
I know you were gonna leave.
So, oh my god, it's so windy out. So this is a Kawasaki Ninja H2. This is literally a bike. I've been geeking over this bike ever since it came out, ever since I first started getting into bikes. This is one of the bikes that kind of like launched me into getting into bikes, and
It's gonna launch you, alright?
yeah, it's gonna launch me. And okay, so my original thought process behind not buying this was available 2 weeks ago, and I did not buy it. And my reasoning was because everybody who's ever had an H2 has already kind of done H2 stuff. Like everything that can be done with this bike has already been done. It's been taken off road. It's been crashed. Everything that this bike can do has been done on YouTube or elsewhere. So why, as a content creator, did I buy this bike? I didn't buy this bike as a content creator. I'm gonna be honest with you. I bought it because I wanted it, dude. I don't know if you guys noticed, but my videos are not very bike centric. So like, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna throw a freaking camera right there, and the camera's gonna be pointed at me. What the bike I record on does not matter. What does matter is how much I ride, and because I have to ride to make these videos, and this bike is gonna make me want to ride because it's kind of sweet. So
I thought you didn't ride. I thought you were just a helmet talker.
yeah, I'm just a helmet soccer, man. With an H2. I know I'm gonna get roasted for it. You know what? I'm actually probably gonna make a TikTok being like, oh, I just bought this beginner bike. I don't know what it does. Someone in the comments share this is a good beginner bike. And I'll just like rage bait and whatever, but no, this is like going back. I know I'm throwing so much information out there right now, but like the video I just made like a couple of days ago where I was sitting on that mountain in California talking about how I wish I could fly and like I wanted to be a pilot originally. This thing is the closest you can get to flying on land, I guess. So that's like another big. That was like another big thing I was thinking about, like that made me decide to buy this. So plus the fact that I was just able to buy this here instead of like having to put a deposit and then waiting 6 months for it to actually show up. Like that's kind of cool too. So, but this is honestly a dream come true, and I would not be able to do this without TikTok, without YouTube, Instagram. Everybody just watching the videos and providing ad revenue from that. That's literally what pays for this and allows me to continue to be happy doing the hobby that I love. So yeah, thank you guys. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you everybody for watching. This is we're gonna go ride this now. This thing looks like a cartoon bike, man. What are you talking about?
I didn't realize that the fucking tank is like shadow chrome with metallic flake in it.
If you feel the paint, it's self-healing paint. So if you scratch it, it heals itself in the sun. It's really cool. Yeah.
Not like PPF, but like the paint. Wow. It's hot. It's also very hot right now.
Yeah. This is a base model H2, so this piece is blocked off on the H2R. Yeah, on the H2R, that's another radiator, but whatever, or intake or whatever. That makes like 300 horsepower. This is only 228. This is a poverty spec. I didn't think I'd ever buy one for the moment.
Seriously, I thought it was going to be like a one-cylinder putt around town type of deal. Like, no, it's going to be significantly crazier than that. And I'm like, shut up right now. You're not getting an H2. I knew immediately it was going to be an H2. Like, no way.
It's not going to be loud.
Whatever.
It has the world's fattest exhaust on there that I need to rip off as soon as I get home.
Are you actually just going to pull it right off?
I mean, I could. I'm going to break it in proper.
You usually do.
This is a bike that definitely needs to be broken in proper. This thing will be thoroughly taken care of. All right.
Well, congrats, buddy. I'm happy for you.
This is some crazy stuff. Oh my god, this thing is massive, dude. Holy cow. Are you ready?
Approximately 5 seconds. I left my turn signal on.
I am now turning in. I'm slowly turning into AMK. This is so dumb. I love AMK, but I'm also looking at getting a Tesla, and I'm just like slowly turning into him.
You started up already?
I just did. That was a terrible cold start.
It's a lot than that.
Yeah, I believe it. Tells you the brake. That's kind of cool. It's got 2 miles on it. Definitely beat on for those 2 miles. 2 miles, I know.
They owe you 2 miles worth of money back.
Surprisingly, very Kawasaki.
Is it supposed to be dripping? I'm fucking with you.
Oh my god, bro. Oh my god, I hate you. I learned that clip.
Got him.
I'll stall it. Yeah, very Kawasaki. Wow, I like this.
Really? That's weird. I would think that being a Kawasaki would feel like a Yamaha.
The rear brake feels like a Yamaha. I'll tell you that. Oh man, this is worth every penny so far. What mode is it in?
The whole 100 feet you rode it. Worth every penny. Get 35 grand worth of enjoyment out of those 200 feet.
Okay, push it through, whatever. Alright. Yeah. This is pretty cool, man. Yeah, that looks like rain over there. Yeah, let's just stay down here for a little bit.
Down for whatever. Oh yeah, that definitely looks like rain down there. Oh yeah. Shit, there was a Z06 in that garage. You see that thing?
No, I'm so focused on trying to make sure I don't crash this thing.
That's fair. It's a lot of money. That thing's worth more than my Tesla.
I wish I had cruise control. It does not.
It doesn't take it back. What type of base model type of crap is that?
It's a cop right here.
Is it really? Oh.
Imagine getting pulled over first day on the H2.
That'd be so funny.
Literally just pulled out of the dealership, getting pulled over on the H2, man.
That would be actually the greatest content ever.
I know, it'd be great content, but never seen them sit there before. That's crazy. Wow, that looks like crazy rain. That looks like a tornado, bro. Holy cow. Yeah, it does.
Tornado.
Look over to the right. Look over to the right. That looks insane.
You don't even know what a tornado is.
Okay. Well, yeah, hold on. I'm just doing a quick little, yeah. Doing a little fast lane D thing, like checking it out and jumping. This is what I'm talking about, bro. Like, everything that has been done with this bike has already been done. There's nothing I could do with this bike that's like any special, and I don't care. I'm just happy to have it.
Who gives a fuck? It's your toy.
I'm finally part of the cool kids club. The cool photo vlogger club. Oh, let's go. Oh my god, hit the gas. Alright boys, we're back with the H2, back home. Luckily, got home without any further incident. It's pretty busy on the highway, but it's nothing that this bike can't handle, even during its braking period. I'm extremely tired. I'm probably actually going to sleep the rest of that night away. As much as I want to go out and ride the night and enjoy the new bike, I'm too exhausted to enjoy it. So, again, I apologize like the lack of hype in this video. I'm going to try to bring it in the next one. I'm probably going to sleep like 14 hours tonight, and it's going to be lovely. So, and thank you, Ryan. Thank you for coming out here and helping me out. You're a lovely guy.
Congrats, this thing is insane.
And yeah.
While you're sleeping, I'll just break it in for you.
Yeah, we can arrange that. Totally. Alright, anyway, subscribe if you guys want to see more of the same content I post, but just now on an H2. I don't know. I really have no idea what I'm going to do with this, but I'm excited nonetheless. This is a whole new chapter for the page, and a whole new chapter for my life, and hopefully doesn't end my life, because, yeah. Alright. Peace out, guys. Subscribe. Bye.